So, we decided to take a little trip to Tagaytay. It takes around 2 hours to drive there from Manila. Of course, we did take a little stop to get some coffee and take a look at the view to Taal Lake. And after we arrived to Tagaytay, it was time to go find our hotel. The check-in time was at 2 p.m, so we just dropped our bags there and then it was time to go to People's Park. This is just basically a viewpoint where you can see the nice views. There's nothing else to do here. After People's Park, it was time to get something to eat. Then we headed to Picnic Row. Here you can have a picnic with some really nice view over the Taal Lake. You can also do some chip lining and other stuff. But we didn't spend that much time here. It was time to go back to hotel and just relax a little before we headed to Mt.Taal Volcano. So today we are going to the Mt.Taal Volcano Island. It's over there somewhere. We're taking a boat, the 8 of us, and then we're gonna go do some hiking again. But this time I'm sober.
Rraketti.
So the boat ride was like 15 minutes only, not that long. So now we are starting to hike up there. It's gonna be 1 hour hike. It's gonna be easy. Some pretty nice views, you can see. Hiking for 30 minutes almost, so I guess we're halfway there, so let's keep on moving. We made it. This is the view from the top. Oh, I'll show it too, just in a second. see the smoke here? You can feel the temperature to rise. This is so fucking hot. Oh my god. Woo! But yeah, this is Mt.Taal Volcano, Mt.Taal, and it's a pretty nice place. You can see the view. It's awesome. It's awesome. This place is awesome. If you ever come to Manila or Philippines, I highly recommend that you come here to Mt.Taal. It's a super awesome place. You can hike around the island and see nice views. So yeah, let's go back and see what happens drinking. So it's almost sunset. We have to get down from the mountain because we don't have any headlights or flashlights or anything, so it's getting dark. We have to get down because for obvious reasons there are no street lights on the trail, so we have to go down. We have to get a boat and drinking. Good morning. Today is day 2 and we are having a little bit hangover.
Good morning.
Hey, enää.